I'm going to take my time with this one because this one looks self-explanatory. But just because the devil isn't the red dude and a skin-tight red outfit with pitchforks and horns does not mean he is your friend. It's about time we expose him for who he is. As you can see, all these names, bro, like, he is the father of lies. Like, he could never tell the truth. He is the world's first squatter, bro. The first one to be kicked out of his own heavenly place. He only had one job, and that was to be a light barrier, to carry the sound of heaven. And he started feeling himself like pride, bro. And now he comes in the form of our friends. When they sit there and we have no job, and we think because of what we've been through, we can't get a real job. So when your friends come up and they sit there and say, hey, yo, I'm hungry, so we're looking for a person to snatch. R.I.P. Tupac. That's the devil, bro. That's the devil influencing your friend. He's a thief, John 10:10. Like, how much more self-explanatory can it get? Anything that comes opposite of what God says is the devil. Our God is truth. Our Lord is truth. Let's tear the veil. It's time that we fight in the spirit and call this devil out for who he is. Stop allowing him to come into our space, to invade our mind, to invade our hearts, to invade our God's agenda, his will for our lives. Literally, like I said, he's a squatter. If you think about it, squatter's rights. Somebody's got a right to come into your stuff and stay there, and then you legally have to get them removed. That's what the devil does. He thinks he has a legal right, and we give him legal right due to sin, due to our decisions, due to us knowing better and wanting to do wrong. By choice, been there, again, no judgment. We allow him to come in and sit and resonate and produce hate, produce rage, produce evidence of jealousy, murder, violence, cussing, swearing of the tongue, backlashing, disunity, disconnection, disorganization. We allow that, and then we're mad 6 months later when we find out that because we allowed him to come in and run us around with pride, that now we lost our friends, we lost our family, we lost our credibility, we lost our integrity. I know I was like everybody else. I'm still on the potter's wheel. So I'm still learning just how much this cost. And if you think about it, Jesus died, was crucified, murdered, the world's most crucial death. There will never be another murder, another death more cruel than his. And when you think about it, it's like all that extreme for what? It wasn't just because he was preaching a good message of, hey, it's not a good idea to smoke a cigarette, so only because I want you to live longer. When your package of cigarettes literally says, hey, it causes lung cancer, kills the unborn child, just saying. Where's Waldo? Go get him. You lose them. It's time we expose. And I already know that the devil's going to use somebody to slander this word, but guess what? I'm shaking the dust off my people for him. Because it's time you be exposed. It's straight from the furnace, y'all. Hot and raw. Let's burn up this devil and burn up this flesh.